Gonna put my water down and I did a snow cone, yippee! Hit him! Wait, don't tilt it! Don't tilt it! Oh, never mind.
It looks like that was going to slow motion. You need to watch out with that punch.
Ah! No! Oh Jesus! Look how dreary our shadows are. No! All right, this is a big one. Someone's gonna launch it.
Go, Mama.
Oh, my mom. Oh, she's gonna launch it.
Go run. I don't want you breaking your ankles.
You got it. You got it. Ooh, someone over there.
Just right in the middle.
Oh, some over there. Some over there.
The garden is in spring. It goes down to the minute keeps up. What?
Oh, look at our shadows again. Just
People gonna do the Roman candle.
Whoa! Whoa! What exactly am I looking at here? Oh!
Just jumping.
Oh Jesus! Whoa! I was just like launched up like whoop! Alright, gonna like this bottom one right here. And oh. Oh. Isn't it? Oh.
Come on. When is it gonna launch? I hate when this. Hopefully the wind doesn't knock over the tube.
Oh. 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 Oh God! Thanks. All right.
Jumping jacks.
Here, kids, come here.
Trash.
All that crap.
Wait. Oh yeah. Useful. All right.
Jack, you want one of these?
Sure.
I'll take one. Why'd Joby quit on him?
Where is Joe?
He's playing with mine.
Ow! Trying to make sure. Don't worry, I won't. I'm just trying to make sure it's away from me. I'll just put it on the ground. God damn it. Try not to commit arson. Ow! This is hard. Why are these things so close to me? Ah! Ah!
I relit my pumpkin.
Oh! Why didn't I try that?
What'd you do?
Just trying my best. There we go. Finally, a dud.
Give me.
All right.
What is this one?
Right!
Oh, run! Oh, run!
You're not gonna die! No, you're not! No, you're not! Me neither. That's it! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Don't get close! Ah! My cousin's freaking out. Green, what?
You could give Daddy the boat and you could jump on something.
No, I'm good. I'm just doing a video.